Hey, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I am finally getting a chance to review these figures, these anatomical figures that come from 3dtotal Anatomy, which is a company in the UK. They have quite graciously provided me with a couple of their products here in order to review, which is super exciting and super awesome because I've been wanting these things forever. For as long as I can remember, I wanted to add some of these 3D figures to my studio, to my collection, my reference collection. And as you can see here, opening the box, we've got some cool little anatomy cards that show the front and the back view, the posterior and anterior view of the human figure and all of the muscles, and they've even got all of the proper labels for the different muscle groups. So that's really awesome right off the bat, as you have these two reference cards that come with your 3D figure. The 3D figures are cast from resin, so these are professionally sculpted figures that are cast in a durable hard resin. So here's the male figure. So here we have the male figure, and it's cast in a neutral gray resin, which allows for you to try different lighting effects and different angles. And some people might ask, do you need these types of figures in order to study anatomy? The answer is no, but they definitely help when it comes to visualizing a three-dimensional figure in two-dimensional space, because essentially as a two-dimensional artist, that is what you're trying to do. You're trying to give the illusion of a three-dimensional quality on a two-dimensional space. And here I'm trying to, you can see here that it's cast half in skin, and then the other half is cast in the musculature. So it's sort of dissected to the muscle level, where you can see the way that the different striations and the different muscles move. And I'm making this a PG recording by holding my hand strategically. So you can see here, this is a really cool figure. And I would say I think this is about 12 inches in size, which is a really nice size to have as a model in the studio, and you can really get those details. So we have the male figure there, and he's standing watch. And we have the female figure that I'm now opening, so we'll take this guy and walk him over here out of the shot. And here is the female figure. So again, you're getting two of these anatomy reference cards with the anterior and posterior. You are also getting the female version of the figure. We'll see if we can make this into a PG video as well. There she is. Okay, so we've got the skin version and we've got the muscle version. Okay, so there is that. So these figures are, once again, really a go-to reference for artists in terms of trying to trying to really deepen your understanding of the human figure when you're studying anatomy. So you wouldn't exclusively study anatomy from one of these. You wouldn't go through the card and write down the names of all the muscles and that sort of, and treat it as though you're studying medicine or biology. You would want to study it as an artist. So sometimes you run into issues where you're not really sure the direction of certain muscles. You're not really sure how things will react, the forms will react in certain light. And that's where you want to utilize your 3D figures, which look really awesome, again, in an artist studio. Anyway, I mean, these things are awesome. Like I said, I've wanted a set of these since they came out. I recommend that you go to 3dtotal.com and you check out these anatomy figures and pick up a set for your studio, because I really do believe that these are an invaluable reference. 3dtotal anatomy figures, the male and female pairing here, and you can see what they look like in the studio. Again, you can really, with that neutral gray, you can really pick up the detail in those insertions and the ways, the directions of the muscle fibers. That's really important when you're trying to draw accurate anatomy. So these, again, super excited and thrilled to have my set of anatomy figures finally. I've been waiting to get these for a really long time. All right, everybody, I appreciate you checking out this product review of the anatomy figures, and I hope to see you around soon. Keep the comments coming in the comment section of my videos. I love getting comments. I love responding to them. Really what that does for me is it proves that there's some value to what I'm doing, and people are really getting something out of the time that I'm spending creating the videos. If you like the content and you've seen a few of my videos that you're into and you've got some value from it, please subscribe to the channel. I'm getting really close to 1,000. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers this year in 2019. I've got several months left to do it. I think it can happen. So I'm hoping to get to 1,000. That's the goal. So please like, subscribe, share the videos, and feel free to comment and let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in future videos. I'd love to hear from you. All right, everybody, take care. Thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. Like, there's like a little button that they put on the laptop or something, and then they say click it, and then you can never even miss a video.
That's if you subscribe.